stabbed you. Everyone's... Give me push shave, though.
Who needs a barber?
Who needs a barber? Close. It's bleeding, but that's it.
Charge, Gimpy, charge!
Who broke what on their handle? I don't know. Oh. Keep now my elbow bleeding. Bleed more! What are you gonna do? Bleed on me? Yes. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Oh, that was close. Ah, I'm blind in one eye.
Hey, I take offense to that. I take offense to that.
I have to use one eye. Piece of shit. This is not cool. I don't like this. This is my blurry eye. I had an accident when I was 11. Whoa. Ah! I'm cut. I'm cut. That one I'm sure of.
Move back.
What?
I promise.
Promise?
I promise.
Promise?
Promise!
Okay.
I know.
We were just...
I know. Okay.
Wait, so what's going on now? Cut right here.
And you cut right on the top.
We're cutting each other up.
Ooh. 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 What?
I don't like. I can open my eye.
No.
I actually felt like wiping it. Lost my leg. What?
There was shrapnel that hit me.
I think this might be the longest one now.
Yeah. Somebody. Who won? Tie.